Are you thinking about renting construction equipment for the first time? If so, you are making the right choice. It's easy to underestimate the true cost of equipment ownership. Insurance, maintenance, repairs, licensing, storage, training, the list and the costs go on. Renting provides you the flexibility to utilize the right equipment only when you need it. Also, by renting, you gain control over your total equipment expenses and consequently improve your business's bottom line. To read more about the benefits of renting versus ownership, visit our website at equipmentrentalpros.com and review our top 12 reasons for renting and our rent versus buy calculator, or call us at 703-335-1777. We'd love to help.